You wanna be a software developer? You should learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and voila, you have become one.
Wait a minute!
So, before you get mad at me and close the video, let me tell you that this is pretty much a common trap that a lot of people fall into. And this trap is so misleading and can cause you to waste a lot of time and effort. This is a phase that every beginner goes through, but I was lucky enough to go through this when I was younger. I have encountered a lot of self-learners who are trying to learn programming to make a living out of it, but they put time and effort in the wrong direction because somebody told them they will make quick money that way. People waste around 6 to 8 months in this wrong approach, if not more. And I totally get it. The internet is flooded with resources and roadmaps, and navigating through this sea of information can be overwhelming. The issue with the typical journey of learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then jumping into a framework like React is that you get too much ahead of yourself without building a strong foundation. To put it bluntly, anyone can learn a framework. It's like assembling a piece of furniture following the instructions. However, understanding the fundamentals is what will carry you through hardships and enable you to create efficient software that doesn't drain time nor money. That's why it is crucial to learn computer fundamentals, and I tell you why right now. Say you're trying to be a full-stack developer, and you know nothing about the fundamentals. You're just following a roadmap that assumes you have the basic knowledge, but you don't. How would you progress without the solid foundation we talked about? You have to learn about networks, data structures, object-oriented programming, UML, software engineering principles, and even some algorithms. The problem with those who tell you to go down this path is that they view the programming languages as the actual job, but they're not. Indeed, they're just tools. Now, I'll not be able to provide you with why it is important to learn these fundamentals because this will need me to create a whole series of videos. But you can search them and see why they are important and see some of their applications, or you can just check the description to see the courses I recommend to you regarding those topics. The competition is so high right now. Maybe or maybe not this journey we have discussed has worked out for someone a couple of years ago, but right now there's no way, and don't let anyone give you any false promises. Don't let anybody sell you something that doesn't exist. Now you know that programming is a long journey, but I promise you a lot of success if you take the right path. If you're destined to something, you'll get it. And remember, always aim to be an engineer, not a frameworker.